Once all of the panels are installed, it's time to put in all of the trim and really make your RainTight system look nice. Here we'll be using the provided trim coil, a brake, tin snips, and a utility knife. Once you take your measurements for the various areas that will need to have trim, you'll go to the brake and start to make them. We will trim out the front area, the sides, and the back along the house. We'll begin here by making the piece that's going to go along the side. As you can see here, this piece of trim has a top lip which we'll use to screw into the header board. It comes down past the panels and then in towards the middle of the deck 1 inch. That bend on that piece of trim usually gets bent a little bit past 90 so that it creates a nice tight lip up against the panels. Here again, we'll box in the piece that's up against that support post like we did with the panel. Once that is all finished, we'll go ahead and screw it in place using the provided SIP screws. Next, we'll move on to the other side, doing the same thing, screwing the lip into the header board and bending the piece that goes against the panels up past 90, making it tight. And then we'll put the piece along the back, doing the same thing as we did for both sides, except this time screwing the lip into the soffit that's already existing on the house. And then finally we'll bend trim for the front of the deck that goes up along the header board and covers all of that exposed wood. When screwing in the back piece of trim, we'll want to go and install a zip screw at every panel just past the seam.